This is the Oraimo PowerBox 300. It's a 30,000 mAh power bank that has a total of 6 USB ports. It has an LED screen that shows the battery percent, and it has a flashlight. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the unboxing experience, what we get in the box, and reviewing every aspect of the power bank to find out if you should buy it. To get a discount on Oraimo products, including this Oraimo power bank, simply use this coupon code during the checkout process. Feel free to use it as many times as you need. It will always work. You can use the code multiple times. So you can take a screenshot right now or maybe jot it down somewhere safe. You can also find the code both in the pinned comment and in the video description. Now let's get on with the review. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. For those who are new to our channel or have not subscribed yet, please take a moment to click that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. This way you'll be updated whenever we post new review videos just like this one. Now let's get on with the unboxing of the Oraimo power bank. Inside the box, we are provided with a short Type-C cable, a rather hefty and weighty power bank, and a welcome guide. You can get all this for the price of 16,800 naira. The power bank is expertly designed and it feels quite resilient. It has a stripe pattern on the larger part, but overall, it has a consistent aesthetic. It is manufactured using plastic, which as you can see is not resistant to scratches, as evidenced by the numerous marks on its exterior. At the bottom of the power bank, we can see the capacity of the power bank and the charging speeds of all of its ports. Moving on to its top, we have 4 USB Type-A ports, a Type-C port, a micro USB port, and a flash. Positioned on its front is an LED screen, while on the side is a button. Pressing it once, you can observe the battery percentage on the LED screen. Press it twice and the flashlight comes on, while another couple taps activates the SOS lighting alarm. Press and hold for 4 seconds to activate a low current charging mode to charge your smaller devices like your earbuds or smartwatch. Now, how quickly can your phone charge with the Oraimo PowerBox 300? Well, it has a total of 5 charging ports, the 4 Type-A ports and 1 Type-C port. They all provide 15 watts of charging speed. Now, all of these ports are functional and capable of delivering the promised charging speeds. My phone actually supports 15 watts charging. I just can't show you in video because my phone is my camera is what I'm using right now. But yeah, it does support 15 watts of charging. That's the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, while 15 watts of charging isn't particularly fast, it's not too slow either. If you look closely, you see that there are 2 ports on the Oraimo power bank labeled AnyFast. These ports are designed with a special chip that is able to detect your device's fast charging protocol and deliver the fastest charge possible, at least according to Oraimo. Here's a list of compatible devices. The Oraimo PowerBox 300 has 2 ports available for charging itself, the Type-C port and a micro USB port. While the micro USB port is capable of charging at 10 watts, the Type-C port can charge up to 15 watts. As such, it takes about 12 hours to fully charge the power bank from 0 to 100% using a 15 watt charger through the Type-C port. And that concludes our review of the Oraimo PowerBox 300. We've covered every aspect of this power bank to help you determine if it's worth buying or not. So, what do you think of the power bank? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you want a discount on any of Oraimo products, simply use the coupon code provided during the checkout process. Alright, thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more tech review videos just like this one. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoe. Thank you so much for watching and you see me in my next video.